Hello, today I will be showing you how to make a basic quiz game using Adobe Flash CS5.5. So firstly, you will need to install Adobe Flash 5.5, and after you install it, go to Finder, and this is for Mac users by the way. So you go to Finder, Applications. You will find a lot of different programs, Adobe programs being installed because that comes with the package. So find Adobe Flash CS5.5, double click that. And then you will find Adobe Flash CS5.5 again, double click that. So the program is now opening. I will be showing you the game we're going to be making today. So it takes around a minute or so to open. Okay, so this is the game we're going to be making. Well, it looks like the game we're going to be making. So first you're going to have a title page. This is the title of the game I made. So press speller, then the play button. Click on that. You're going to have the plot summary. Next, how to play, which is the instructions. Start. Okay, so question 1. The boy something to the market to buy milk. So let's put the right answer, which is walk. This answer is correct. Next. So the article something was heartbreaking. Let's put the wrong answer just to see what will come up. So red. This answer is incorrect. Restart. So by making people restart it, it's going to be easier for yourself and it's going to be more challenging for people to play, because why wouldn't you want a challenging game? Okay, so let's go ahead and close that and start with showing you how to make the game. So this will come up once you open Adobe Flash CS5.5. You will be clicking on ActionScript 2.0 because ActionScript 3.0 may not cope well with the buttons and stuff you're going to be making. So ActionScript 2.0. This blank page will come up, so you add how many pages you want, and pages here is called frames, so you add how many frames you want. And to do that, you're going to need to right click on the second little box right down here. Right click on that, go down, insert blank keyframe. Click on that, and if you know, to know that you inserted the blank keyframe, you will find the empty dot right there, empty circle. So for now I'm going to be adding 5. If I didn't need 5, then I can erase it or add more or something. Insert blank keyframe. Let's do that a bit more times. Okay, so now I have 5. So I'll go back to the first one. So the first one is usually the title page. So it's white, and white is pretty boring. So here you will have properties and you will have library. Click on properties, or if it's already on properties, just keep it. You go down, there will be stage, and as you can see it's white because the background color is white. So this is the background color. Click on that, and for now let's say I want this color, yellow. Okay, so now it's yellow. So let's add the title page by clicking on the T button right here, text tool. You will find the plus shape and just drag it. Okay, so what should it be called? Let's just do it super speller again. Okay, super speller. Now the color is pretty light, so to change that you can highlight it, and here you'll find color. So to make it a clear color, for now I'm just going to pick the screen. Let's see if it's clear. And once it's on text tool, you can't really do much, it will still have that plus, so you're going to need to go up and click on the arrow. Okay, so to make this bigger, because it's pretty small for a title, you highlight it, go up to text, size, and let's see, 36, pretty small. 48, okay, that's good. So let's say for now you want to add an image because it's going to be plain. And by the way, you can like drag this just so that you know, and make it in the middle or center if you want it to be. Okay, so here I already have some photos. You can just screenshot it off Google or save it or whatever. Okay, let me find it here. Okay, so let's say I want this. Where is it? Okay, this frog. Okay, so for now I want this frog. What I do is drag it. You drag it. Wait, okay, so it's important. You go to library. Okay, seems like it didn't drag. Let's redo that. Okay, here. So it's pretty big, isn't it? To resize it, you go on the third option, click on that, and you can resize it. Here I suggest you make it 85 to see the full screen of this. Yeah, like that, because it's better for you. Okay, so let's say I want it like this. So next we're going to be adding a next button or play button. So you go on text tool again and you type in play. Okay, so this one's kind of big for a play button, so I highlight it, go to text again, size 24 or 36. Okay, and to make the font different, like to change the font, you can easily go on text, font, and let's see which font. Okay, I'll pick one at the top because that's going to be easier to go back to. Let's say this. Okay. So this is the font I picked. So I'll go and do the same for this, the title. Here, okay. Okay, so I have the first page well sorted out. So to convert the play button, the play writing into a button, this is what I have to do. Click on it, right click, scroll down, convert to symbol. You name the symbol, so now I want it to be called play. And make sure type is button and make sure the registration is in the middle. So click on OK. So now it's a button. Second page, let's say the second page is, we can skip the how to play and the plot summary because you can easily do that by just typing what you want. So let's go ahead and start with the question. So question 1. Text. Question 1, let's see its spelling. So we're gonna use the same question as the example I showed. So the article, I something was heartbreaking. So the options, make sure you do the options separately like this. So first red, then another text box. Don't put them together. Red, okay. So again, you can drag them, move them, and Okay, so after you drag that frog photo, you will find it in your library. So if I want to drag it here again, I can do the same thing. And again, I go here to resize it. Okay, so now we have our first page almost done. So let's convert these two into buttons. Convert to symbol, red. Convert to symbol and red. And you can't use the same name again. So if you had another page with the same choice, just go to convert to symbol and write like, not here. You can go to convert to symbol and write, for example, red 1. But I already have it as red, so yeah. Okay, so what's really important, and I suggest you do that at the beginning, is this. You go to the first page, right click on that, go to the very bottom, actions, type the sentence stop, stop, open brackets, close brackets, semicolon. This is because if you don't do this, it will go through your whole game without stopping at any frame. So you're going to need to do that for every frame. So now I'm going to paste this and have it in every frame. Okay. And by the way, this little dot right here, you remember how it wasn't filled? Like here, it's not filled. It's filled because we added stuff on the page. So, and after you write the action thing, it will have a little A. So you go here and do the same thing. Just paste it. Stop. Okay, so now it has a little A here too. Okay, so now let's say I want a second question. So question 2. What color did Leah her hair? Okay, so the options, dye or tie. So in this game, the theme is the frog. So again, I'm gonna insert the frog by dragging it, resizing it. So now I'm going to add this top thing here too. So actions, Command V because I pasted it, because I'm pasting it. Okay. So let's convert these two into buttons. So die, right click, convert to symbol, name, die. Okay. Let's convert this one to symbol too. Convert to symbol, die, and okay. So we're going to make a correct and incorrect page. We're going to make actually 2 correct pages, and I'll tell you why later. But for the time being, I'm just going to make 1 for now. So this answer is incorrect. So let's say you want that in huge handwriting to make them feel bad or something. Text size, and this will go out of the frame obviously because it's big. So what you do is make it smaller like this and drag it to where you want it. So I'm going to highlight it and check if it's the same handwriting. Yes, it is. So the color, I want it to be red because that's the incorrect color. Okay. So now I have an incorrect page. I'm going to do the action thing for it. Stop. Okay, so now I'm going to make a correct page. This answer is correct. I want this to be a bit smaller, so 72. And then you're going to have to make a next button, next, to go to the next question. So convert this into a button. Convert to symbol. Next one. Okay, so we're going to add the action thing here again. You're going to need to add it to like every single frame you make. So stop. And we're going to make another correct page because you're going to like, let's say you have 10 pages with questions, and like 10 options, like 10 correct possible answers. You're going to have to make 10 pages. So basically you're going to have to make a page for each and every correct answer. And this is because, so when I click next, it will go to a different page. It can't, keep coming to the same page. Okay, so insert blank keyframe. Or you know what you can do? You can simply do this. Right click, copy frame, and paste frame. And you'll have the exact same frame. This answer is incorrect. And we're going to make a restart button so they can restart. Just resizing it. Okay, so let's convert this into a button. Convert to symbol, restart. Next. Wait, is it simple? Yes, it is. No, wait, it's not. Okay, this one is already a symbol, and this one isn't. Wait, when did I convert this into a symbol? Never mind, excuse my forgetfulness. Okay. So going on, play. I've already converted this into a symbol earlier. So now you're going to have to pick which page you want it to go to. And obviously you're going to want to go your first page to go to your second page. So to do that, you will click on the button you already made, actions. I have the code pasted here. Okay, so go to and release, and here you type in the number of the frames. So let's say 2 in this case. So I'll copy paste this. Okay. So to test your game, like so far, even though I haven't done much, you click on Command Enter. So play, click on this. You'll find the second page. Okay, so now on the second page, this is the fourth page where the answer is incorrect. So go ahead and make this go to the fourth page. Number 4. And this one will also go to the same page because you'll restart anyway. So okay, so now you test it again. I suggest you test it like every 2 minutes or something. like every time you made progress to see that it actually works. So play. The article I read incorrect, restart. Okay. So here the restart button, we're going to make it go to the first page so they can go ahead and restart. So number 1. This is the 5th page and the 6th page where the answers are correct. So I'm going to make this go to the 5th page. 5. And then this one will go to the 6th one. Okay, so testing it. Play. Red. This answer is correct, but you can't go to the next page because I haven't told this page where to go. So here, I'm going to make it go to the 3rd page. Actions. Number 3. And now this one won't be able to go anywhere because I only have 2 questions for the time being. But obviously you'll have, if you want more questions, and you should have an ending page like this. I'll do this just to show you. So insert blank keyframe. Congratulations, you are now a super scholar. Okay, so this is the 7th page. Again, we're going to do the action thing. So, no, not this. Okay, stop, open bracket, then semicolon, where'd it go? Okay, close up. So, now this one, we're going to make it go to the ending page. So, actions, and number 7. Okay, so let's test the game. Play. Red. Next. What color did Leah dye her hair? So dye this one. This answer is correct. Next. Congratulations, you're now a super speller. Okay, so now I showed you how to make a basic quiz game. But if you want to add sound as in background music or something, I'll show you how to do that too. Okay, so firstly, we're going to need your music to be in iTunes. So you go to File, Import to Library. So yesterday, because that's when I downloaded the song. Okay, so best game, music, fly with me, instrumental. This is the game I want. So, but look, this is MP3. You're going to have to convert this to AIFF. And to do that, you simply go to Finder and find the game you want, the music you downloaded. And then to rename it, you're going to need to click on enter. And then you can easily rename it. Just erase.mp3 and write .aiff. So, okay, so open that. It's importing. Okay, so now I go to the library and I can find this. So to put this in, you just drag it. So now you test the game. Okay, the sound isn't there. Okay, so now the sound is there, but you can't hear it. So the article I read Start next. Restart. Okay. So thank you, and this is how to create a basic quiz game with sound. So thanks, and by the way, don't forget to save it, because it will all get lost and all your effort would go for nothing. Thank you.